I've always wanted to be a farmer. I went to school to come back to the farm and be a farmer along with my brother and my dad. That wasn't a viable option for us at one point, and so I chose to explore some other options. It brought me to Case Financial Group, where I've been working for over a decade. Je m'appelle Roland, j'habite à Somerset. Je suis fermier de poulets. So a number of years ago, through my work and my interaction with farmers in the area, we learned of a new entrant program that was hosted by Manitoba Chicken Producers, and we decided to participate, and we're fortunate enough to be selected to apply.
Our application was successful in 2017, and we started building the barn in 2018, and production started 2019. So we raise broiler chickens, and that's chicken for meat. It's great to see Rolly and his brother working together so well, and it's kind of funny to see them working because they don't even need to talk sometimes. They just kind of know what each other's thinking, and yeah, they get along really well and run the barn together really well.
The best way to produce a good flock is to get a good start. And the chickens, or the chicks, do so much better in a good, clean environment. And so that's what we provide them every single time. Biosecurity is in consideration the second we drive onto our yard. So we like to change our footwear because you never know what you might be bringing with you from off-site. So by leaving the footwear at the door in designated areas, which we clean and disinfect regularly, we minimize the amount of contaminants that we might be bringing into our production area. So we are new chicken producers, but we're not new farmers. We went back to our background and our understanding of raising livestock, and we knew before we even stepped foot into our first flock that the details matter. So the quality of your water matters. So we get our water tested because we use that information to adjust our feed rations. The light is automatically adjusted so that the birds are in optimal comfort. Temperature is monitored at 4 different locations in each room to make sure that the entire room is at the right temperature. We, from the get-go, from the very start, understood that paying attention to the little details really minimizes how much you have to deal with the big details. And so that just came naturally to us. So one of the advantages of the controller we selected, the Maximus controller, is you can view your monitoring screen from your phone through the utilization of an app. And so that system lets me be away from the barn, but not away from the responsibility of the barn. So both my brother and I have young families. Our children range in age from 3 to 10. So when we started this project, they were all very young, but they've gradually become more involved, and they will help us on day-to-day chores, and they're learning to be passionate about it as well.
I'm very proud to raise chickens. I think chicken is a great food and a great lean source of protein, and it's very healthy. So I'm glad that we can contribute that for Manitobans to enjoy.
I'm very grateful to be a farmer once again. It's something that's you're born with, it's something that's in your blood, and it's hard to teach. I'm very grateful to be able to continue as a farmer.